Hello everybody, Kevin Todderell here from RMUS Canada, and we are almost at the end of the 12 days of RMUS. Very exciting stuff. And today I'm here to talk about one of my favorite platforms, the Teal Golden Eagle. Now, those of you that have been paying attention are saying, Kev, we know the Teal Golden Eagle, one of the blue SUAS platforms. You talked about it last year. You said how much you liked it. Well, that was then, and this is now. This is the Teal Golden Eagle 2022/23, and it is even better. The original things we loved about this platform was it is the most durable small SUAS platform, never mind the blue SUAS, period. So if you are in any kind of a person or vehicle where things get bumped around and beaten up, this is the drone for you. If you need to be able to change things on the fly, totally modular system, everything including gimbal, replaceable, field replaceable with one screw, this is the drone for you. Exciting, good work, George and team. Now, the other thing that we liked about the initial one was it had a great sensor performance in night. It was, along with the Parrot, one of the better night vision sensors. Now, the new one is gone from just pretty good to possibly the best because it's using the new FLIR Hadron 640R sensor. So this, instead of a 320 res IR sensor, is 640. Instead of a 20 megapixel camera, it's a 62 megapixel camera. Significantly higher resolution. So I think this is the best sensor on any small SUAS period, including ones from China. So there you go, I said it out loud. So the other part of this platform that we love is that it has been integrated specifically with the Tomahawk controller system and the Kinesis AI platform. So what does that mean? A lot of the blue SUAS have issues with their controllers not being that great. The Tomahawk controller is a purpose-built multi-unit control, so not only can you control the Teal, you can control UGVs, you can control fixed-wing platforms, all kinds of platforms can be integrated. It's incredible. And then you get the whole Tomahawk Kinesis background for AI applications, so that can be vehicle tracking, advanced recognition. You can also plug and play with the Reveal Farsight software, so you can build rapid 3D models. So my point is that Teal has taken the strategy of saying, we are going to go all in with the software options, and for ISR and public safety applications and military, there is no better small platform right now in terms of what it's integrated when combined with the Tomahawk system. So we are very, very excited. Now, what else is happening? To me, it's very simple. What could be better than one Teal Golden Eagle? Well, how about 4 Teal Golden Eagles, all flying the same time in a coordinated swarm? So you heard us right. Now, with the Tomahawk platform, Teal can be flown in swarm with 4. It's been tested up to 17 units, but officially available to regular customers is 4 right now. It's amazing what you can do for use cases. You can fly in an echelon, you can fly a perimeter, you can fly a swath for large-scale mapping applications. You can do swapping out in and out as your batteries get low, so you always have somebody over target. There is a multitude of applications for ISR and anyone else who is interested in controlling multiple vehicles. And this works out of the box. Simply amazing. So, Teal Golden Eagle, swarm technology, Tomahawk controllers, 2 thumbs up from the RMUS team.